Hey everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be looking at empowering your testing arsenal with parameterized testing in Python with pytest. So, in the world of software development, testing plays a crucial role in ensuring the reliability and stability of applications. Traditional testing methods often involve writing separate test cases for each scenario, which can be time-consuming and repetitive. However, there is a powerful technique called parameterized testing that can streamline your testing process and enhance test coverage. In this article, we'll explore parameterized testing in Python using the popular testing framework pytest. What is parameterized testing? Parameterized testing allows you to run the same test code with multiple sets of input parameters. It enables you to test a function or method with various inputs and expected outputs, all within a single test case. This approach is particularly beneficial when you have similar test scenarios that differ only in the input and output values. Setting up pytest. Before we dive into parameterized testing, let's ensure pytest is installed in your Python environment. You can easily install it using pip install pytest. Creating a parameterized test. To create a parameterized test, you need to use the @pytest.mark.parameterized decorator. This decorator allows you to specify the input parameters and expected outputs for your test cases. Let's consider an example where we have a simple function that checks whether a given number is even or odd. So def is even number, return number modulus of 2 is equal to 0. So if the number is even, then it returns true, else it returns a false. Now let's create a parameterized test in Python. So first import pytest. Use this @pytest.mark.parameterize function to have these two variables, that is number and expected result, and this is a list of tuples, which is the input and the expected output respectively. And finally the test after this, which takes in this number and the expected result. So assert is even, that is it calls the above function of this number is equal to expected result. So for 2 it will be true, for 7 it will be false, 10 it will be true, 11 and so on. In the above example, we provide a list of tuples containing the input values and their corresponding expected results. Pytest will automatically generate separate test cases for each combination and execute them accordingly. Running parameterized tests. To run the parameterized test, simply execute the following command in your terminal, pytest. Pytest will identify the test underscore is underscore even function as a test case and run it with all the parameterized combinations specified in the decorator. You will receive a detailed test report highlighting the success and failure of each test case. This is the complete code. You can execute it in your local to see how it performs. So here are some benefits of parameterized testing. Improved test coverage. Parameterized testing allows you to cover multiple scenarios with minimal code duplication. By specifying different input combinations, you can ensure your code handles various edge cases and corner scenarios. Code maintainability. Rather than writing multiple test cases, each with slightly different input values, parameterized testing condenses them into a single test case. This reduces code duplication and simplifies maintenance efforts. Clear test reporting. With parameterized testing, you get a detailed report for each test case, making it easier to identify which specific inputs are causing test failures. This granularity helps in debugging and fixing issues quickly. Time efficiency. Parameterized testing saves time by running multiple test cases with different input values in one go. This eliminates the need to execute each test individually, speeding up the testing process. So that was all the benefits of parameterized testing. It is a powerful technique in software testing, allowing you to enhance test coverage and streamline your testing efforts. With pytest, pytest.mark.parameterized decorator, You can easily create and execute parameterized tests in Python. By embracing this approach, you'll improve your code's reliability, simplify maintenance, and save valuable time during testing. So why not give parameterized testing a try in your Python projects? Unleash its potential and take your testing to new heights. That's it for this article. If you found this an exciting read, follow my channel Python Code Nemesis, subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy coding!